Normal operations for this type of system is the water will come in through the tank and up a 3/4 inch line in the middle. The first step that it goes through is in the regeneration is a backwash. It pushes the water down that 3/4 inch line and up through the bed to remove anything that's laying on the bed and takes it to the drain. That's an 8-minute backwash. The next step it goes through is a 60-minute brine draw. You don't have salt with this, so it's not drawing salt. What it's doing is drawing air through this little suction line. Okay? It puts a head of air on top of this tank to get rid of the odors. Okay? Now, we're going to move to the installation real quick.
And that 8 minutes is at 2 in the morning? Every
8 minutes happens every 3 days or 800 gallons, whichever is used first. We'll send it through a regeneration at the next 2 a.m.
And it lasts 8 minutes, and then it's followed by 60 minutes.
68 minutes. You get water during that 68 minutes, but it's untreated water.
So we should either avoid using it altogether or use only cold?
Use only cold if you can. Okay? Now, winterization. Winterization, we need you to close both the suction line and the return line. Open the sand filter, which will drain the water out of the system. I want you to come back over and open the drain valve to the tank. Okay? That will drain the tank. Leave it open all winter long. Okay? After you drain the tank, I want you to remove these 2 nuts to the back side of the valves. Okay? Unscrew them. Just unscrew them and push them back. They're on O-rings. Okay? The next thing is, let's go ahead and remove this top cap right here. It's a little gnarled nut. Okay? You've got a little pocket of water up in here. Just take a towel, paper towel, or something like that, and just dry it out a little bit. The next thing I'd like you to do is come around here. This is the last step. Pull this hairpin from the backwash line. Okay? And then lift the backwash line. Put the hairpin back, leaving the backwash off. That will allow the backwash line to finish draining. That's all there is. And put it in service next spring. Just reverse the process. Make sense?
Yep.
If you have any questions, give us a call. We will help you. Our phone number is on right here. That's our phone number. Okay?
If somehow the time of day gets messed up?
The time of day is held by a battery up in this corner. It should hold it for many years. Let's put it that way. Now, I can go ahead and unplug this for the winter. The screen goes dead, and that's it. Okay? Come back in the spring, plug it back in. The battery should hold the time. Oh, it didn't do it. Okay? That's because it's got a protection program. It has, the very first time it has to go through a regeneration and past midnight to protect you. It's a safety feature built by the factory into the printed circuit. To set the time, if it does get off, push the clock, set the hours up and down. Okay? 1, if I go backwards, you see it's 11 a.m. We want to go to, well, let's call it 12 p.m. Set the minutes. Now I can go forward or back. Let's go ahead to a 58. Set the time, the day of the week. Okay, we can go forward or back. This is Tuesday. Push the button again, so it's 12:58 p.m. on Tuesday. That's all there is to that. And you should not have to set that time again after today.
Okay.
Okay? And that's all there is to it.
And at the 2 a.m. back flush, 8 minutes first and then 60 minutes, it's going to go out this pipe here.
Right.
And drain out there. And about how many gallons is it pushing out?
approximately 40 gallons is what would be my guess.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
that's it.
Thanks a lot.